Have you ever wondered why some people look 10 years younger than their actual age, while others seem to age overnight? What if I told you the secret isn't hiding in a luxury cream that costs $200, nor in a painful cosmetic injection, but in something that costs less than 20 cents and is sitting in your kitchen right now? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the shocking part. The beauty industry doesn't want you to know about it. Why? Because if you knew this secret, you'd stop buying overpriced creams tomorrow. So what is this secret? What is this 20-cent miracle? And why is no one talking about it? Stick with me until the end, because not only will I reveal the ingredient, I'll also show you 3 simple variations of this face mask that can tighten your skin, brighten your complexion, and give you the youthful glow you've been searching for. And here's the twist. If you use it incorrectly, you could waste all its benefits or even make your skin worse. So, do you want to keep wasting money on products that give you temporary results? Or do you want the truth? Let's begin. Aging and skin concerns. Aging is natural, but premature aging, that's something we can fight. Think about this. You wake up one morning, look into the mirror, and suddenly notice fine lines near your eyes. You brush it off. But within months, those lines deepen. Your skin feels loose. You try creams, yet the reflection doesn't change. The beauty industry profits from this fear. That's why they sell products promising miracles. But here's the reality. Most are temporary band-aids, not real solutions. The root causes of aging skin include loss of collagen and elastin, the mattress and springs of your skin. Sun damage. UV rays literally break down collagen, stress, and poor lifestyle. Cortisol destroys skin cells. Dehydration. Dry skin ages faster. But here's the exciting part. There is a natural, safe, and extremely affordable way to fight back. An ingredient packed with proteins, vitamins, and enzymes that can directly target sagging skin and restore elasticity. That ingredient is eggs. The secret ingredient, eggs. Why eggs? Let's break it down. Egg white. Rich in proteins like albumin. It tightens skin instantly, reduces excess oil, and minimizes pores. Think of it as nature's instant lifting gel. Egg yolk. Loaded with fatty acids, vitamins A, D, and E. It deeply nourishes, hydrates, and restores elasticity. Perfect for dry or mature skin. Egg membrane. That thin layer you peel off the shell, it contains collagen, hyaluronic acid, and amino acids, powerful anti-aging compounds. For centuries, different cultures have used eggs as a beauty remedy. In ancient China, women applied egg whites to keep their faces smooth. Even today, natural healers recommend it. So why haven't you heard more about it? Because no cosmetic company can patent an egg. There's no big profit in it. But here's what we'll do. I'll show you step by step how to prepare 3 anti-aging face masks with eggs. Each mask has a unique purpose: tightening, brightening, or deep nourishment. Stay with me, because mask number 3 combines eggs with yogurt, and the results will surprise you. DIY mask number 1. Egg white tightening mask. This is the simplest and most powerful mask, perfect for oily or sagging skin. Ingredients: 1 fresh egg white, a few drops of lemon juice, optional for brightening. Instructions: first, crack the egg, separate the white. Second, whisk until frothy. Third, add lemon juice if desired. Fourth, apply evenly to face with brush. 5. Leave for 15 minutes. 6th, rinse with warm water. What it does: instantly tightens loose skin, minimizes pores, reduces oil and shine. Imagine applying this mask before an event. Your skin will look firmer immediately. But wait, don't throw away the yolk, because in the next recipe, it becomes the star. DIY mask number 2. Egg yolk hydration mask. Your skin is dry or mature, this mask is for you. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon olive oil or coconut oil, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: first, mix yolk, oil, and honey until smooth. Second, apply generously on face and neck. Third, leave for 20 minutes. Fourth, rinse with lukewarm water. Benefits: deep hydration from healthy fats. Honey adds antibacterial power. Leaves skin soft, glowing, elastic. This mask is especially great in winter when your skin feels dull and tight. It's like giving your skin a drink of water and vitamins. But there's still one more mask you must know, the ultimate combo. DIY mask number 3, egg plus yogurt brightening mask. Now comes the star. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon turmeric or lemon juice. Instructions: first, mix egg white and yogurt. Second, add turmeric for glow or lemon for brightening. Third, apply for 15 minutes. Fourth, rinse gently. Benefits: yogurt adds probiotics, calms inflammation, fights acne. Egg white tightens pores. Turmeric reduces dark spots. This is a full facial treatment for less than 20 cents. And here's the secret: if you repeat this mask twice a week, results will be visible in weeks. The science behind it. Skeptical? Let's talk science. Albumin in egg whites creates a film that temporarily tightens skin. Lutein and zeaxanthin in yolk protect from oxidative stress. Collagen in egg membrane improves elasticity. Probiotics in yogurt balance skin microbiome. Honey works as a humectant, drawing moisture into skin. This is not a random hack, it's supported by real biochemistry. Precautions: always patch test. Avoid raw egg near open cuts. Not suitable for people with egg allergy. Use fresh eggs only. So why is no one talking about this? Because the truth is too cheap, too simple, and too effective. Egg masks cost less than a candy bar, yet they can deliver what expensive products promise but rarely achieve: tighter, smoother, glowing skin. Now it's your turn. Try one of these masks tonight. Feel the difference. And remember, real beauty doesn't come from a bottle. It comes from nature. If you found this valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this secret. And before you go, don't miss my next video. The number 1 zinc mistake that can ruin your energy, sleep, and immunity, discovered earlier. Stay glowing, stay youthful, and I'll see you in the next one.